Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter A, B and their sound. This is A. A says ah. Say ah. Apple. Apple. Ant. Ant. Alligator. Alligator. Angry. Angry. This is B. B says B. Say B. Ball. Ball. Butterfly. Butterfly. Balloon. Balloon. Banana. Banana. Do you have this worksheet with you? You're going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line. All your pictures next to you. Then we are going to sort all these pictures by their first sound. Let's start. When we say apple, what first sound we make? Apple. Apple. So find a picture of apple and put under A. When we say ball, what first sound we make? Ball. Ball. So find a picture of ball and put under B. Butterfly. Find a picture of butterfly and put under B. Ant. Ant. A. Balloon. Balloon. B. Alligator. Alligator. Goes under A. Banana. Banana. Goes under B. Angry face. Angry. A. Goes under A. So are you done with this? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here we are going to play I Spy game. Let me show you how to play this game. I spy with my little eye something start with A. Let's find something start with A. Do you see anything start with A? Oh, here I found one. Animals. Animals. Let's circle that. Oh, we are done with this A here. So we are going to circle this too. Now I spy with my little eye something start with B. Let's find something start with B. Oh, I found here bird. Bird. Let's circle that. Now we are done with this bird too, so we are going to circle here. Now you are going to find rest of the picture start with A and B and circle all these letters here. Here we are going to learn how to write A and B, A and P. Let me show you. Do you see this black dot here? We are going to start with from this big black dot and follow this arrow. Let me show you. Now you are going to trace on your worksheet on A. Okay, we are going to trace one more time. Are you done tracing? Let's move on to B. We are going to start again with this dot here. Let's trace one more time. Are you done tracing? Okay, good job. You did it. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.